He can't sing, he who doesn't utter a sound, nor can he shape verses, he who doesn't say a word, nor can he see the ways of poetry, he who doesn't understand the meaning. Therefore my song begins in such a way that the more you listen to it, the more it'll be to you. Let no man marvel at me, if I love something I will never see. If nothing hurts me more than that which I have never seen with my eyes, which never lied nor ever spoke truth to me, nor do I know whether she will do it. I feel a joy blow which kills me with a love weapon which takes away my heart, so that my body shall wither unless she presently takes pity on me. Never died man so worthily of such a sweet ill. Such things don't happen. I never fell asleep so placidly that my spirit wasn't there. By the beauty who owns my heart, towards whom my desire takes its straight path, and she can well say that her hand slays me, since she shall never have so faithful a suitor. A faraway love kills me, and the sweet longing stands by me. And when I plan on going there as a pious pilgrim, my will remains here, I don't escape my death, which won't be otherwise. Baronet, waiter of rivers, tell her that my heart will transmigrate towards her, and if she likes it, that it behoves her hosting me, since the conversation will be fine. My godparents doomed me, if love kills me, through the one who owns me. This is a good song, if I didn't make mistakes, and everything in it suits it. And he who learns it from me, beware not to change anything, so that they hear it, the Viscount of Quercy and the Count of Toulouse. The music is good, and each his own. Pleasant.